What's up? Remember that meme coin launch strategy I showed you last time? Well, I just discovered something that's gonna blow your mind. I'm talking about a refined approach that's made me over $100,000 in the past 7 days, and it's way more strategic than what most people are doing. The difference? Instead of randomly picking concepts and manually grinding marketing for hours, I've built a wealth strategy that automates your money. Last week alone, I launched 3 coins using this exact method, and 2 of them hit 6-figure market caps within 3 hours.
Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping 1 SOL anywhere in the video.
I've been able to make more than $1.6 million in 2026 launching meme coins. I can refresh this so you can see I'm legit. This is not to flex or anything, it's just so you can see that I know what I'm talking about. In this video, I'm gonna go step by step on how to launch. So how to pick an idea for your meme coin, how to launch the meme coin, how to promote the meme coin, and of course, how to profit from the meme coin launch. So how to pick an idea for your meme coin. Here you have multiple options, and the results you get on your coin depend 100 on the idea you pick. So if you pick a really bad idea, nobody's gonna buy it. Of course, if you pick a really good idea, well, people will most likely buy it, right? This is really obvious, but so how do you actually pick a good idea? There's multiple ways to do it the first way. And the most popular is using Dex Screener. So you just go to this trending page and you just analyze what coins are trending right now. Usually most coins trending follow the same themes, right? So you just got to check what theme is trending and get some idea around that theme. This can work really well. But the problem with this strategy is that if you're a beginner, you might not be able to know for sure if your idea can go viral. So I would only do this when you have more experience in launching. So the second way is, instead of trying to create an original idea based around a trending theme, you can simply copy a trending coin. But with this strategy, I don't advise using Dex Screener because you don't want to copy the big coins. You want to copy coins that are trending but aren't really that big yet, so you know the idea works, but it's not super popular to the point of people knowing your coin is a clone. You know what I'm saying? So for this, you can use, for example, Photon, Bullex, or Exim. You can use the one you like the most. I'm going to be using Exim as an example. Go to this pools page, go to this migrated section, make sure you don't have any filters on so you can see all the coins in here. So now what you can do here is simply select any coin you like, let's say this one for example, and copy the token address. Now go to solscan.io, paste the address here, select the coin, and go to this metadata section here. Copy this URI link, open it. Now, this may seem a little complicated, but don't worry. Just look where it says image and copy this link right here. Open it and there you go. So this way you can download the exact image the original coin is using. Now, this is all very complicated. I get it. This is super confusing and too much work. So thankfully, there's still a third way that you can use to get an idea for your coin. This third method is basically the same as the second one, but you don't have to manually copy the coin. You can select the coin and with just one click, you copy it. So I wouldn't even waste time on the second method, but I still wanted to explain it in case you think it's a better option. So yeah, go to this website called solanatokenlabs.io and go to trending token section. As you can see here, you have a bunch of trending coins. And if you like any of these, you just hit create token and there you go. But I will create manual token so I can clear the science behind the token that takes us to the next step, launching the coin. So to launch the coin, you have so many options nowadays that it's a bit hard to know for sure what's the best one, right? You have Pump.fun, PumpSwap, Bonk Boop, Raydium, Launch Lab. There's so many options now. I personally prefer to launch on Raydium because you have way less competition and you have basically full control of your coin, right? So for example, when you launch on Pumpfun controls your coin, not you. So you just become another buyer. You don't control anything on your coin. That's really bad because it limits a lot the amount of profit you can make. And also, all of these platforms, similar to Pumpfun, have hundreds of coins being launched per minute. It's insane. Your coin is not going anywhere if you launch on here. So you can choose any of these platforms. But personally, from my experience, the best option is Raydium. Now, the only issue with Raydium is that Usually you have to program the whole coin and liquidity yourself, which I will teach you. We're going to be using the same platform I mentioned before, solanatokenlabs.io. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Changmao and shortening it to Mao to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part, I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features. Custom token addresses. Solanatokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, just add PM or MO like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens. Another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want. Massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. So let's move on to the next step, which is create a liquidity pool. Click create liquidity and you'll be redirected to Raydium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click create. Select standard AMM from the pool options. Click the token selector, go back to solanatokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Raydium search box. Add your token details.
For this demo, I'm using Mao as the symbol and Changmao as the name.
Click add user token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything, and click initialize liquidity pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. On to the next step. So it's time for the most important step, promoting the coin. This is how you're actually going to get buyers on your coin. So once again, for this step, you have a lot of options. You can use deck screener ads. So basically, your coin will show up in the top of this list on deck screener. But the issue is, I don't really recommend this in the beginning because if you're still just trying this for the first time, this can be very expensive. It costs around $300. So the alternative is simply promoting the coin on platforms like Twitter, Reddit, Discord, Telegram, all of those. You just go to those platforms and you post your coin. This works quite well, but it can get very annoying because you got to spend a lot of time just posting and posting and posting. So to do this automatically, we can use this platform called promotmeme.fun. This will basically do the same promotion on all of those platforms, but automatically. You just click one button. And the cool thing is, if you're just starting out and you want to test, you can use this free promotion, which impressively works really, really well. Now, if you have some soul to spend to get better results, you can use this advanced promotion, which will last for around 3 hours. I'm going to be using the advanced on this video just so you can see the full potential of this tool. So just paste your address here and click promote MemeCoin, accept the transaction. It's going to take a little bit, and there you go. So for the next 3 hours, our coin will be getting shared on all platforms and you will start seeing a lot of people buying your coin. Now this is where you got to be a little patient, because obviously the coin won't reach $100,000 market cap in 1 minute, so give it time. And once the promotion is over, that's when you know for sure if it worked well or not. So I'm going to pause the recording. I'm going to wait for the whole promotion to be done, so around 3 hours, and let's see what happens. Are you ready to see the results? Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. Yup. Our coin reached $100,000 market cap. So as you can see, if you get the right idea or copy it and you use a good promotion tool, reaching these market caps on every launch is completely possible. But so now the most important part, how can we profit from this coin, and how much will we profit from this coin? Well, it's super simple. Just go back to Raydium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top. And there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $20,000 in official profits. Ignore everything except the soul's value. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive like 165 souls around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev Memecoins and make generational fucking wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $20,000, which is like 165 SOL. You guys can see here. Okay, even though the market is down, we still made money. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 SOL to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word launch. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours and announcing it on my Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So make sure you're following me there. Stop gambling, start launching, and I'll see you in the next one.